On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your fruit carving skills as of right now?
Oh, as of right now, like -7.
Negative.
No, I'm kind of scared.
You're scared?
Yeah.
50-50.
You could use like these as like jellyfish.
And then I think if you go about what you were doing, it'll be perfect.
I don't like cucumber. Do you want to make this the person?
Nancy, do you want to do a more detailed angle?
You can see we have this little mouse, Tim, and he lives right here.
So our theme is enchanted under the sea. So we did a lot to capture all the different animals that you see at the bottom of the ocean.
I'm gonna have to call this here the winner.